Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, October 24th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled In the Care of Something Unseen. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from William Butler Yeats. Genius is a crisis that joins the buried self for certain moments to our daily mind. Genius is a crisis that joins the buried self for certain moments to our daily mind. We have been trained to think of genius as an unusual brilliance of mind, an ability to retain or calculate or conceptualize uncanny amount of information. But the original sense of genius means attendant spirit, being in the care of something unseen but near. It is really another definition of wholeness of God, another way of acknowledging the Tao, the unseeable stream we all swim in. What Yeats offers us is an insight into life on earth. The great Irish poet suggests that crisis is an unexpected jarring of our ways that brings us into contact with our attendant spirit. I'm reminded that the Chinese ideogram for danger also means opportunity. Wow, I love that, don't you? The Chinese ideogram for danger also means opportunity. Isn't that true? And this is not to suggest that we seek our danger, but that we look for the openings when broken by experience, by which we can find our connection to the unseeable stream we often forget we are part of. Perhaps the purpose in crisis, if there is one, is not to break us as much as to break us open. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Not your breath, not yourself, nothing. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder allows you to touch a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, to enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now sit quietly and simply feel the unseeable stream you are a part of. Breathe slowly and reflect on your genius, your attendant spirit. Breathe softly and expose whatever crisis you are in right now to your attendant spirit. What is this crisis? How does it feel to talk about it to your guardian angels, your attendant spirit, your genius? And now see if you can let both your current crisis and the depth of your genius to join. Can you do this? If so, how does it feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. Continue talking about your current crises to your attendant spirit, allowing your genius to come forth. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.